ultimate guide for beginners to get started with Robo-Advisors and automated savings plans in 2024. Step 1. Understand what Robo-Advisors are. Robo-Advisors are online platforms that offer automated investment management services. They use algorithms to manage your investments, diversifying your portfolio and making trades on your behalf. Step 2. Research and compare Robo-Advisors. Look for Robo-Advisors that offer automated savings plans and compare their fees, investment options, and services. Some popular Robo-Advisors include Betterment, Wealthfront, Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, Fidelity, Go Vanguard Personal Advisor Services. Step 3. Choose a Robo-Advisor. Select a Robo-Advisor that fits your investment goals, risk tolerance, and financial situation. Consider factors such as fees. Look for low fees or no management fees. Investment options. Choose a Robo-Advisor that offers a range of investment options, such as ETFs or index funds. Minimum balance requirements. Check the minimum balance requirement to open an account. Customer service. Consider the quality of customer service offered by the Robo-Advisor. Step 4. Set up your account. Create an account with your chosen Robo-Advisor by providing basic information such as your name, address, and social security number. Step 5. Fund your account. Fund your account with the initial deposit amount required by the Robo-Advisor. You can transfer funds from your bank account or link your existing investment accounts. Step 6. Set up your automated savings plan. Choose the frequency and amount of your automatic savings deposits. You can set up daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly transfers. Step 7. Select your investment options. Choose the investment options that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can select from a range of asset allocation options or choose individual securities. Step 8. Set your asset allocation. Determine your asset allocation by selecting the percentage of your portfolio you want to invest in each asset class, e.g., stocks, bonds, cash. Step 9. Review and adjust your portfolio. Regularly review your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can adjust your portfolio by rebalancing your assets or changing your investment options. Step 10. Monitor your account. Regularly monitor your account to track your investments and ensure they are performing as expected. You can view your account activity, statements, and performance reports online. Step 11. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Consider using tax-advantaged accounts such as IRAs, 401k, or Roth IRAs to optimize your savings and investments. Step 12. Educate yourself. Continuously educate yourself on personal finance, investing, and Robo-Advisors to make informed decisions about your investments. Step 13. Automate your savings and investments. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your Robo-Advisor account to ensure consistent saving and investing. By following these steps, you can get started with a Robo-Advisor and automated savings plan in 2024. Remember to stay informed, monitor your accounts regularly, and adjust your strategy as needed to achieve your long-term financial goals.